Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. This video is in collaboration with Joche from Miss Exclusive 4. She came up with the idea of collaborating about self-love, and it's going to be a lovely February. So be sure to show her video some love after you've done so here. The link, as well as all of the others who participated, will be in the description box below. We tend to forget to love on the one person that we should love on more than anyone else, ourselves. In this video, I'm going to share my DIY Pamper self-care routine. At the spa, you always sip on something refreshing. Here's my detox water with mint, lemon, and orange. In this Pamper routine, I will also be doing an at-home V-steam. This is such an effective and relaxing way to promote reproductive health and a perfect way to show yourself some TLC. It wouldn't be a spa night without a facial. This particular mask dries up pimples, draw out impurities from your pores, and rinse away blackheads. Before starting, I go in and I like to sage my environment or smudge. This is to rid negative energy, and the smoke purifies and cleanses the environment. After smudging, I tend to burn Palo Santo, which brightens energy, promote positive feelings, love, and good fortune. It's time to venerate my inner goddess, y'all. During this time, I like to say affirmations, meditate, script, and listen to soothing music. Time to make our spiritual love bath. Start by setting the mood by lighting candles. Rose water will enhance your mood and assist with anxiety and stress. It opens the heart, inviting more love in, and it supports the emotional self. I added 6 drops of each to my bath because the number 6 represents love. Florida water, when charged, is used for protection, to give blessings, and eliminate negative energy. Oshun is the African Yoruba goddess of love. This bath salt evokes all things sweet, pleasurable, beautiful, joyful, romantic, love, abundance, and sexuality. I add essential oils to heighten the senses and get some aromatherapy going. Adding flowers to your bath makes it more luxurious. Adding roses attracts love, enhances confidence, and assists in seduction, glamour, and beauty. Pink Himalayan salt detoxifies and rejuvenates your aura. This love bath won't be complete without crystals. Rose quartz represents love, friendship, and compassion, and aventurine is said to bring abundance and opportunity. Relax, unwind, enjoy. I also did a body scrub to buff and polish my skin. After that spiritual love bath, I like to follow up with a mix of good vibes and Oshun self-love loose tea. This is to promote positive energy, elevate my mood, and bring forth inner peace and calmness for the night. I then add Zen essential oils to my diffuser to continue the peace and tranquility in the ambience. No Pamper routine is complete without some good wine, a good snack, and TV time. this video gave some inspiration on ways to love on yourself. It's important to take care of you, boo. Because if you don't love yourself, how the hell you gonna love somebody else? Thanks for watching. Mwah.